If you're wondering how your Dyson smells so nice when it's been serviced and you don't know how they've done it, well, I'm going to tell you, because I found out how they do it. So all you do, take the filter out of the top. I use the 3Volution. Use any of these oils. All I've done is I've took the wick out of the top, and all you do is pour a couple of drops on that side, turn it round, a couple more drops on that side, put it back in. Smells lovely and stays like that for a long time. Okay, give me a thumbs up if it works for you. Bye.